Hello everyone. So welcome back to this series Learning Databricks. So today we are going to see the UI part of Databricks Workspace. So let's understand in detail first what is Workspace. Okay, so let's get started. So in the UI, here is where you can find the workspace. If you hover over this menu, you can go into this, click on this workspace, and you can see this is the home button where you can see we can create folders. We can have workspace, so inside workspace we can create repos, and we can have shade folders and the user folders. So the users folders, and we have a legacy repos. So this is a legacy repo. This says that repos has now moved under workspace. You can now create git folder repos in any workspace folder. So this has been updated. So previously, I think previously git folder creation in repos was not an available option. So you can put certain folders into favorites, or you can delete folders. It will go into the trash. Or not only folders, or it could be notebooks, your SQL files, and anything that can be saved in the workspace. Okay. So let me get back to my SQL editor page. So okay, so what is workspace? Let's define. So workspace is a unified environment. Okay, unified environment in where? So it is in the cloud. Okay, this workspace is saved in the cloud. Okay, next. So what can we do with workspace? So it's a shared access. So can access teams can a uh, access, b manage. So what they can access and manage? Assets of Databricks. So what are the assets? So it can be data assets, it can be notebooks, it can be files, SQL files, folders. So all these are assets. Okay, so teams can access, manage assets of Databricks. So what is the next, how we understand about Databricks Workspace? It's a collaborative collaborative space for what? One is data engineering, second data science, third data analytics tasks. So here you can see uh, machine learning, data engineering, SQL. So it's a collaborative space for data engineering, data science, and data analytics. Okay. So now let's understand what are the key features of Workspace. Key features of Databricks Workspace. So one is data management. So all the data management can be done through this workspace. For example, we can organize and manage data objects. So what are data objects? For example, data objects are tables, files, etc. So these are the data objects. Next, what can we do with workspace? So what are the features? One is compute resources. So with workspace, we can create and manage clusters. So for example, if I go here, so in this workspace, I have compute option. So if I click compute, I can go and create warehouse, and if I want, I can go here and edit the permission, delete if I want. So these are the things that I can do with my workspace. So it's like create and manage my compute resources through the workspace. Create and manage compute resources. So what are the compute resources? It can be SQL warehouses, it can be ML endpoints. So these are the computers. Next, what is the key feature of Databricks Workspace? It's a collaboration. So we can collaboration. So how we can collaborate with Databricks? So one is we can share notebooks. We can share dashboards, and we can manage permissions. So in Databricks Workspace, you have option to create a new notebook, new query, new dashboard. So all these you can share and manage the permissions, who can view and who cannot view. So you can manage the permissions also. Okay. So next we have what we can do with what are the key features of Databricks Workspace. Other development tools. So what are development tools? So we can develop and run. So what we can develop and run? One is we can develop and run notebooks through Workspace. We can run scripts. We can run jobs. We can run workflows. So all these can be done with Databricks Workspace. So it has development tools also. Next, what we can do with Workspace? So we can create visualizations. So what we can do? We can create and share. What we can share? Dashboards and reports that we have created through Databricks. Next, what is the key features of Databricks Workspace? Automation. We can automate. So automate of what? We can automate workflows using a Databricks workflow. So if I hover over this breadcrumb menu, go to new, option new, or here you can see it's already pinned here. So these are the important workspace items which are already pinned here, so that we don't have to search over it and go again and again. So these are the important menu items which are already pinned here, so we can automate through workflows. Okay. Overall, if I want to summarize, I can say uh, Databricks Workspace integrates various tools and services, which makes it a versatile platform, or which makes it a unified platform for data centric activities. Okay. Yeah, so this was in brief about Databricks Workspace. So what this is all what we can do with Databricks Workspace. Okay, so thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next session with another topic. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.